Hello and welcome. It's a transcription class. I am Coach Melissa. For this class, we're learning to transcribe with the long vowel sound or. Repeat the sound with me and say or. Okay. However, what does transcription mean? Transcription means changing words from the spelling letters into their phonetic symbols. Again, transcription simply means changing words from their spelling letters into their phonetic symbols. I'm sure you're aware that English words are made up of different phonetic sounds. So when you spell words, you simply spell them with the letters. However, when you say words, or when you sound words, when you pronounce words, you're pronouncing them by their sounds. A word could have 6, 7, or 8 letters, but only have 2, 3, or 4 sounds. For example, the word school. It has 6 letters, but it only has 4 sounds. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. But what sounds does the word school have? Just 4. S, k, oo, and oo. You realize that you pronounce the words by their sounds, but you only need to spell letters to spell the words. And back to our lesson. The long sound or. Repeat or. Lovely. What letters give us this sound or? The letters O and R. For example, in the word storm or the word fork. We can even hear it in the word form and the word sport. All the letters give us the O sound. The letters A and W. A and W stand together to say O. Examples: draw, raw, straw. Other letters that give us the O sound are the letters A and U. A and U together will also say the sound O. Source, cause, and pause. Now you know that O and R, A and W, A and U will give you the sound O. And now to transcribe. The first word we shall try with is the word fork. Put the slash first and listen to the word again. Fork. What sound did you hear first? Brilliant. And what letter gives the sound? The letter F. Good job. And now we'll write the letter F in lowercase. The next sound you heard is O. And the final sound is K. Close the slash. Brilliant. You have just transcribed the word fork. Care to try again? A second word is storm. Clean slash. What's the first sound you can hear? S. The lowercase s. Good. Next, I'm sure you can hear the word t. St. And next is the O. And finally, close the slash. Brilliant. You have just transcribed the word storm. Can you see how easy it can be when you have a great teacher? Lovely. Let's go for the word draw. What shall we do? A slash, of course. The first sound in draw is d, and that's the lowercase d. After d, what can you hear? R, the lowercase r. And of course, your A and W say O. So just put the symbol and close the slash. Bravo! One more word to transcribe. Source. And so, the slash, s, o, and s, because that's what you hear in source. You close the slash. Brilliant. You have just learned to transcribe words that have the or sound. Aren't you so brilliant? I'm sure you can do more on your own. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.